Okay, welcome everyone. I'll be teaching you how to use the app that I'll be using for teaching, which is the Microsoft Paint app. How to use it conveniently. So I'm using the Camtasia to record actually. That's it over there. This is the one you will not see. But I give my something full screen so that you see it. When you are doing it, you might not give your own full screen. Like you should be able to like reduce it or something. So let me put it there. So now how are we going to use the Paint app? First thing is to go to the Paint app here. So you can always look for the Paint app. Just type it here. Because yours might not be pinned like my own. So this way you double click on it, you open it. So let me make it bigger. Then the next thing is I want to work on the white. I want us to follow this same pattern all through. We'll be working on like a blackboard. So this, I'll click on this, then I'll put it here. Just double tap. So that's the single tap. Then go to here. This is your pencil, like you are writing. So when you are writing on your tablet, it's going to be showing. And notice my tablet is connected. It's showing the green something if you watch the last tutorial. So here, this is the background. I'll click here. After the blue something is on it, I'll click here. So it becomes black. Write this, I click here, it becomes white. Then your pen size, so your thickness can be thicker. So just put these 2 pixels, very much okay. So then we can start writing. So I'm going to be writing. So yes, so my pen, my notes is at the background. My pen is on my tablet. Then I want to write like 4 plus 3 equals to 7. So you know you know that this is exactly my handwriting. Just exactly. So like I want to write Josiah is a boy or something. So that's just all. Then if you want to rub this off, you don't have to use eraser or something. It's very unnecessary. You can just press this select here. Then you select with your mouse. You can also use that stuff. You right click. So as you right click, then you press the delete button on your keyboard. So it's off like that. Then I can use other color too. That will make the teaching very much more attractive. Example, I want to write with 4. Okay, so we have to go back to this. Yes, and write 4x squared plus 3x plus 5. Maybe the correct equation equals to 0. Because I'm not positioned well, that's why it's kind of slanty. If you position yourself well, it will not be like that. I want to write 3x plus 5 equals to 0. This is, and I can switch to yellow again. Then I will say maybe 4x plus 3 equals to 1. Then 4x equals to 1 minus 3. X equals to minus 2 over 4 equals to minus 1 over 2. Just like that. You see the way I'm still very smooth. If I want to select, I'm done with it, please. I want to select it. So just like this, I can just delete this, please. Delete icon. So I think that's really all you need to know. Now if you want to type a question, I'm going to type a question. Look at this text here. Just tap on the text, then click on your something. So you can start writing. So you can change the font here. You can make it bold, or you can not make it bold, like removing this. You can make it in italics, you can make it in underline, whatever you want to do. And this place represents the color you are working. So if I want to type in white, I'm going to type, for example, as I want to say, okay, let's start with something. Let's say calculate the area of a square house whose length is, let's say, 3 meters and breadth whose length is 3 meters. Okay, that's all. Then you can also expand it this way, very nice and easy, and leave it that way. So if you go back, let's go back to your own here, then you are fine. Then you click this pencil, then you start writing back once again. So you can even write even beside it. You can write beside it. Like I can say, okay, area is equals to length times length. That's the area of the square. So I can say my area is equals to 3 times 3, which is equals to 9 meters square. So very nice and easy. So we're using this in our calculations. So I think we fully understand. Now if you want to draw, you need a shape. For example, I was talking about square. So I don't think there is a square, so I have to use a rectangle of equal length. So do you see it now? So this is like a square. So I can say, okay, this is the square of 3 meters. You get it now? Nice and easy. This is a rectangle here. I can draw a rectangle here. So I can simply want to calculate the hypotenuse. Let's say yes. Okay, so we have to delete that. Just delete it. This one is a mistake. You can select. So you can just select and what delete as we've done earlier on. So turn back, then go back to here. Calculate the hypotenuse of this triangle. Then we know hypotenuse square equals to opposite square plus adjacent square, and like that. So you can write very much beside it. So I think this is 4 plus 3 square. So hypotenuse square equals to 25. And hypotenuse is what? 5 meters. So you can just change the color here and write, okay, here is 5 meters. It was nice and easy. So I hope we all understood everything I've done. So this is the pattern which you teach. The way you are teaching, I will still show you how to use the camtasia here for teaching. I will still work on that. So I think that will be the next video I'll produce. So thank you very much. My name is Josiah Adishola, as you know. Alright, yeah. Have a great day or a great time. Alright, bye. So if I'm through my recordings, I'll just click stop here. Like I say, I've used 7 minutes. This is my audio. This is what happens at the background. I can even pause it here. If I pause it, you will not see what is happening again. I can pause it here in case someone is disturbing me and so on and so forth. So that's it. So stop.